have a skill that is not found in the realms of teaching. Yung experience ko lang iding ngayon kahit ko nga mas lakay nga madik na nga nag-impis dyan. So nga, mamin nga, kung conforming nga certificate, amok angan nga ma. Ano nga ma-validate
Well, if your point is like this, you need, in making your folder,
at the same time, I'm just trying to let them know.
in preparing your folder kasi, it's not you need to make a story out of it.
Yeah.
Lahat ng nilalagay mo doon, may rason.
Yeah.
Maybe, I will put this even though walang credits, pero
For them to know me.
for them to know me,
That's my reason.
that's the skills that I have, yes.
That's my reason. Dapat tinay kakabili yung
But then, it's like this.
2007 champion kickboxing.
Dahil iti kagurgurak.
Looking back, I'm so... I don't know.
Sometimes when you look on the application folder of applicants, you're intimidated.
Yeah.
Yung baga sasabihin mo na, mas magaling pa to or mas credible ba to kaysa sa akin. Pero, pagpunta naman tayo sa
In reality. Actual, yeah.
lahat ng nilagay mo sa folder mo, dapat at
Kaya mong
least,
gawin yan.
hindi ka man eksperto, kaya mong gawin.
You have the know-how.
Alam mo ba nung, ang dami, computer, 15 days training.
15 days training.
Ako, wala akong training eh. Tapos, pinagawa sa akin, table. Microsoft Word na table. Result yon ng district. Nagpa-type. Alam mo ba yung ginawa ng isang
Nag-training ng 15 days?
15 days to 1 month? Kung nag-draw a line, ilang table at ilang columns yun. It took, ako noon, siyempre tayo,
Nag-draw ng lines sa Microsoft Word
sa Microsoft
to
Word,
create a table?
great. Instead na punta ka sa insert table, no? Draw line. Isang oras yung natapos ba?
Wow.
Sabi ko, anong silbi ng napakarami kang certificate?
Ano, dito inadal that 15 years. 15 years.
Yun ang isa sa mga challenges sa mga new applicants na do not put something there na hindi mo kayang gawin.
Because it will come and bite you back in the ass. I'm
Yes.
telling you. Yeah.
Especially if you find
You put something there, you have to know how to do it.